ma'am. Welcome to Summit View Hotel. How may I help you today?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation under the name Kim.
Alright, let me check our system. Yes, Miss Kim, we have your booking. May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Everything looks good. You have booked one room for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Your room number is 215 on the second floor. Here is your key card. Breakfast is served from 6 to 10 in the morning. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay, Miss Kim.
Good morning, Mom. Are you checking out today?
Good morning. Yes, I am room 215.
Let me check. Yes, room 215. May I have your key card, please?